Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the month of May and how it will move in the last 2 weeks of May. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver has made a high of around $30. Okay, and this $30 has not come since Feb of 2013. Okay, this is the high we have seen and this level is already being a weak resistance. So keep that in mind. If the price comes close to this particular level of $30, it can move further upside because this is already being tested here. Okay, and after that what we have seen, understand something, that whenever silver moves, how it moves in a range. As soon as it breaks range, we have seen a sharp fall and a sharp rise. You can see, look here. Okay, after that we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, this is the period where it has spent most of it in the zone. After that, once it breaks, what we have seen since 2020, this was in the zone. Okay, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go in the next 2 weeks of May, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. See, look at this particular chart. For this particular month, what we have seen, it tries to go upside. Okay, already made a high of around $26.218. After that, what it did, there is a continuous fall. Okay, a fall at a level of $23.210. Okay, keep that in mind, that for this month we have seen there is a continuous fall, and this fall is from 26 to 23. That means around $3 fall we have seen. Okay, and chances are very high, suppose if this level didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of $23.117. Okay, but before that it can take a strong support of $23.22. Okay, and this is the level. This particular level is a support, is a strong support. So bounce back can come from this particular level, 23.322. But if this level breaks further down, then we can see a level of $23.117. And if that level goes further low, then we can see a level of around 22.70. Okay, keep that in mind. Once it moves below a level of 22.70, then a probability of going further down will be there, and then we can see a level of $22.598, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 22.295. Once it moves below this level, chances of touching a level of 21.313 will be there. But you have to understand, once it goes below a level of 22.395, chances of going further down will be there, and a probability that it can go further low towards a level of around $21.701, and from there we can see a level of $21.218. Okay, why I'm telling you this, that you have to understand here, is that because there is a continuous fall happening this month, and there will be a trend breakout if it goes below this particular zone. So chances of going after crossing a level of 23.32 to a level of 21.409, if that level move further down, then a probability of going further down will be there, and then we can see it can move below a $20 zone. But if it moves below a level of $21, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Now, overall trend is upside. Okay, and understand something, you can only say that overall trend is upside is good, but sharp fall or sharp rise you only happen when there is a big event happening. Otherwise, how it moves, it goes upside, hold for some time, that is how it moves. In the same way, it goes down, hold for some time, that is how it moves. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, so always remember to trail your SL. Okay, and trail your so that you should not wipe out your capital, okay, on your profit. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move further down, sustain this particular zone. What you can see, if it sustains, then probability of sustaining this particular level is there, and then we can see it can go towards a level of $24.068. Okay, and if that level move further upside, then a chances of going towards 24.268 is there. This 24.268 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are very high it can cross a level of $24.616. This $24.616 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $25.405. Okay, once it goes above this particular zone, then a probability of going further upside is there, and chances of crossing a level of 26.218 is there. keep that in mind that 26.218 will be there once it started going above 25.465. if the price goes above that level, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Okay, see what I teach some of things in my workshop. So I'll tell you here that suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Take a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, whatever. Suppose if you took 5 trades also, maximum loss you can make is $500, that is 50 per trade or 100 per trade. Okay, if you lose all 5, then what will happen? It will not affect your psychology because your capital is 10k. Okay, now this 10k, what will happen? It will not affect psychology. Now the thing is that you can trade ease the next day. Okay, this is the main thing, and you can focus more on profit rather than to recover this loss. People lose patience and then they try to recover that amount and then they lose their full capital. This is how they do. I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.